So today I am going to discuss the modification of spin echo. Please watch the previous video before watching this. The link is given in the description. So let's begin. Modification of spin echo. In this basically the we modify the spin echo pulse sequence which we study in the earlier videos also. As we know that in spin echo pulse sequence, we apply the 90-degree pulse and the 180-degree pulse. So in this modification is done in the case of 180-degree. We apply the another 180-degree also in this sequence. This is basically modification of spin echo. In by this modification, we get PD and T2 weighted image formed. So now look to how it is formed. So first we apply the 90-degree pulse, then 180-degree pulse, and then echo is generated. That echo is time of echo first time, and then another 180-degree pulse also applied, and by that also echo is received. So we form the, or you can say we acquire the time of echo 2. So basically in this we fill the 2k space filling at one time, single time, and the image formed is PD and T2. When we receive the T1 time of echo at first time, we have received the PD image, which is short TE, time of echo, and after second 180-degree when we acquire the signals, we get the T2 weighted image, which is basically long TR, or you can say long TE. So this is basically all about the modification of spin echo, which that having two separate k space filling line, but filling one per TR, means time of repetition is 1 and the k space 2 separate k space filling. Now we going to look the diagram of the modification of spin echo. Here you can see in the diagram, clearly you can see here first the 90-degree, then 180-degree, and then also another 180-degree pulse also applied. So by this we can see here the we receive the first time if time of echo, which is short, and another is long time of echo, you can say long time taking. This the second time of echo we received in a long time, so we call it a long time of echo. So when we receive the first time of echo in a short time, then we receive, or you can say we can form the PD image, means proton density image, and the k spacing is separate of the both of the sequence. And when we receive long time of echo, we can match, or you can say we can form the T2 weighted image. So we should remember this, that in spin echo we only uses the 180-degree RF pulse, but in this we uses the 180-degree RF pulse, and the image is formed is PD and T2 weighted image. This is basically the essential information to know about the what is modification we get in the spin echo, or you can say here you can see the k space filling. The k space filling in the both cases is done by 1 TR, means time of repetition. So this is basically the whole scenario about modification of echo. I hope you clear out all the points. So that's all for this video. Do subscribe if you like, and thanks for watching.